Try these delicious coffee bonbons in just a few simple steps. Welcome back, coffee lovers. Today, we have an irresistible treat for you. Get ready to indulge in the rich and decadent world of coffee bonbons. In this video, we'll show you how to make these delightful coffee-infused bonbons that will satisfy your cravings and impress your friends and family. So grab your apron and let's get started. Ingredients: 1 cup heavy cream, 2 tablespoons instant coffee powder, 2 tablespoons unsalted butter, 2 cups dark chocolate chips, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/4 cup cocoa powder for coating. Instructions: in a small saucepan, heat the heavy cream over medium heat until it starts to simmer. Remove from heat. Stir in the instant coffee powder until it is completely dissolved. Add the butter to the coffee cream mixture and stir until melted and well combined. In a microwave-safe bowl, melt the dark chocolate chips in the microwave in 30-second intervals, stirring in between, until smooth and fully melted. Slowly pour the coffee cream mixture into the melted chocolate, stirring continuously until well incorporated. Stir in the vanilla extract until the mixture is smooth and glossy. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap and refrigerate for at least 2 hours or until the mixture is firm enough to handle. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Using a teaspoon or a small melon baller, scoop small portions of the chilled mixture and roll them into balls using your hands. Place the cocoa powder in a shallow dish. Roll each bonbon in the cocoa powder until it is fully coated, then place it on the prepared baking sheet. Repeat the process with the remaining mixture. Once all the bonbons are coated, return them to the refrigerator for about 30 minutes to firm up. Once firm, transfer the bonbons to an airtight container and store them in the refrigerator until ready to serve. Enjoy your homemade coffee bonbons. They make for a delightful treat or a thoughtful gift for coffee lovers. And there you have it, folks. Delicious coffee bonbons that are sure to awaken your taste buds and leave you craving for more. Give them a try and let us know in the comments how they turned out for you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more coffee-inspired recipes and culinary adventures. Until next time, keep brewing and stay caffeinated. Free ebook: Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee, the adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.